Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Carl's Jr. Santa Fe sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching on whatever platform you are viewing this on. Like I said, we are going to be making Santa Fe sauce from Carl's Jr. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a quarter cup of mayo, quarter teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of cayenne, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and start making this up. All right, you want to get a big enough bowl for all your ingredients. I think we have achieved that. And then just add your mayo, cayenne, paprika, and your cumin, pinch of this salt and pepper, and you just mix it up. There you have it. We got some cross-cut fries going in the oven. We're gonna plate this up with those and we'll come back and give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Very appetizing shots. Now we're going to get our wedge cut fry here. We're going to try out our sauce. Yeah, it sticks real well to that fry there. Just like that. Now the taste. Creamy. Wow, that paprika and that cayenne come right out. That cumin kind of smooths it over just a little bit. But I think it's awesome because there's no other sauce in this, like a ketchup or a mustard or anything else. It's just straight mayonnaise with the seasonings, so it just lets those seasonings come through. And the mayonnaise is just a vehicle. But it's really good. It's gonna be my new go-to burger sauce, I think. Awesome bite. Awesome. This is really good. Wow. Good seasoning in there. Nothing but the seasoning, mayonnaise and seasoning. Perfect. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to go to my seasoning shop. Check out my gourmet seasonings over there. And this recipe is in the description box or the first pinned comment. Don't forget to check that out. Thanks a lot. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul